In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the Serpentine belt tensioner on this Jeep Wrangler with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. Let's install this TRQ tensioner. Before pulling the belt off, I recommend taking either a mental note or a picture of the belt routing so that you can easily put it back on. However, I will also be providing you with a diagram on the screen when it comes time to reinstalling so that you know exactly how to put it on. Having said that, grab a 1/2-inch breaker bar or Serpentine belt tool, put it on the tensioner, turn it counterclockwise, and that will release pressure off of the belt, which you can then slide off of any pulley that you can easily get to. Remove the belt. Use a 13mm socket and remove the mounting nut that holds this tensioner onto the engine. Pull it off. Install the tensioner. It has a little dowel pin that needs to line up on this cover, timing cover. Just like that. Put the mounting nut back on. Let's snug it up. 13mm socket for this. 30 foot-pounds is the torque for this mounting nut. That's it. Here's a diagram on the screen of the belt routing. I'm going to sneak it behind the tensioner first because that'll be a challenging part to overcome once it's on. Now on the other side, put it up and around the power steering pump and then over this idler over here. And now we're going to have to go over the alternator and under the idler. To do that, I'm going to stick my breaker bar in here, release some tension so I can get this up and over. Okay, that's over the alternator and a little bit more underneath the idler. Perfect. Before I continue, I'm going to double check that the belt is perfectly seated on all the pulleys. I am sure that it is. Now when you start your engine, you want to double check it immediately so that you make sure it doesn't fall off in case it is off of one pulley slightly and you didn't notice.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.